Licorice root benefits for melasma. If you are someone who is struggling with melasma, then this video is for you because in today's video, we are going to talk all about licorice root benefits for melasma. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, we are going to discuss the benefits of licorice root for melasma. But before that, if you are new here, do subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. Licorice root is an herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. To treat a variety of skin conditions including melasma, it is rich in antioxidants and compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and protect against sun damage. In this video, we will cover the following things. Know. 1. What is melasma? Know. 2. What is licorice root? Number 3. How does licorice root work for melasma? Number 4. What are the benefits of licorice root for melasma? And finally, what are the side effects of licorice root? So make sure you watch the video till the end. Now coming to number 1, what is melasma? Melasma is a common skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to form on the face, neck and other parts of the body. It occurs when there is an increase in melanin production, which is the pigment that gives color to the skin. This can lead to patches of skin becoming darker than the surrounding areas. Melasma is often associated with hormonal changes during pregnancy or menopause, but it can also be triggered by sun exposure, stress, and certain medications. Coming to number 2. What is licorice root? Licorice root is a perennial plant that grows in temperate climates around the world. The root of the plant contains a variety of compounds that have been used medicinally for centuries. One of the main compounds found in licorice root is glyceric acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Licorice root extract is available in a variety of forms, including creams, lotions, gels, and serums. Coming to number 3, how does licorice root work for melasma? Licorice root is believed to work for melasma by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment that causes the brown patches associated with melasma. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and irritation on the skin. Additionally, licorice root can help to protect the skin from sun damage, which can trigger or worsen melasma. Some studies have shown that licorice root extract is effective in reducing the appearance of melasma when applied topically to the skin. However, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanism of action and efficacy. Now coming to number 4. What are the benefits of licorice root for melasma? The main benefit of using licorice root for melasma is that it can help to reduce the appearance of brown patches on the skin. Licorice root has been shown to inhibit the activity of tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for the production of melanin. By reducing melanin production, licorice root can help to lighten the affected areas and improve the overall complexion. Another benefit of licorice root is its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can contribute to the development and progression of melasma. Licorice root can help to reduce inflammation on the skin, leading to a decrease in redness and irritation. This can create a more even skin tone and improve the appearance of melasma. Furthermore, licorice root can help to protect the skin from sun damage. Sun exposure can trigger or worsen melasma. Licorice root has been shown to have photoprotective properties that can help to shield the skin from harmful UV rays. This can prevent further darkening of melasma patches and help to maintain an even skin tone. In addition to these benefits, licorice root is also known for its skin-brightening properties. It can help to improve overall skin tone and texture, making it appear more radiant and youthful. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with melasma who often have dull and discolored skin. Now coming to the last, what are the side effects of licorice root? Licorice root is generally well tolerated when used in small amounts for short periods of time. However, it is important to be aware of potential side effects. One of the most common side effects of licorice root is skin irritation. This can manifest as redness, itching, or burning on the skin. If this occurs, it is important to discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Another potential side effect of licorice root is increased pigmentation. Although licorice root is used to treat melasma, it can paradoxically cause darkening of the skin in some individuals. This is due to the stimulation of melanin production. If this occurs, it is important to seek medical attention promptly. It is also worth noting that licorice root can interact with certain medications. For example, licorice root can interfere with the metabolism of some drugs, leading to increased levels in the body. This can result in adverse effects. Therefore, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before using licorice root, especially if you are taking any medications. Furthermore, individuals with kidney or liver disease should exercise caution when using licorice root. The safety and efficacy of licorice root have not been established in pregnant women, nursing mothers, or children. Therefore, It is best to avoid using licorice root if you fall into one of these categories unless under the guidance of a healthcare professional. While licorice root has been traditionally used for various skin conditions, including melasma, it is essential to consult with a dermatologist for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan. Melasma can be challenging to treat, and the effectiveness of licorice root may vary among individuals. A dermatologist can assess your specific condition and recommend the best course of action, which may include a combination of treatments. It is important to note that no single ingredient or treatment will work for everyone. While licorice root has shown promise in reducing the appearance of melasma, it may not be effective for all individuals. It is essential to have realistic expectations and understand that results may vary. So friends, this was all about the benefits of licorice root for melasma. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. We would love to hear from you. Please like, share, and subscribe to show your support. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Stay healthy and take care.